see that we're back at the Birch Top Trail. It's nice they redid these, huh? Cool. Birch Toft. Okay, we are at the Monadnock State Park, very popular place. And we got a campsite at the Gilson Pond Campground. The Birch Toft Trail is our favorite trail out of all of the trails going to the summit of Monadnock. It just has everything, you know, a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and it's just beautiful. Mount Monadnock is located in Jaffrey, New Hampshire, and it is the second most climbed mountain in the world. Now, this is after Mount Fuji in Japan. I would rate this hike as a strenuously moderate hike. You will need both hands at times. Mount Monadnock is 3,165 feet, or 965 meters. It's been featured in stories by Emerson and Thoreau. The summit is bare, mostly because of fires set by the early settlers. They wanted to clear the lower slopes for pasture. And then between 1810 and 1820, local farmers believed there were wolves denning in the crevices up there and set fire to the mountain again, this time destroying the topsoil completely, leaving the mountain bare above 2,000 feet. The address to the campground is 585 Dublin Road in Jaffrey, New Hampshire, 03452. And you can call the camp office too for more information if you want. Check the website, but you will need reservations even if you just want to go for a hike and not camp. Since COVID, they want to limit the people at the summit. Unfortunately, pets are not allowed at Monadnock State Park. If you want, check out some of my other videos on this channel. Some of them are like this one. As always, thanks for gallivanting with me, and be safe.